This ZDBB Viton O-ring assortment kit provides a broad spread of common inch sizes that covers most automotive, plumbing, and general industrial sealing jobs in one box. The rings are molded from fluorocarbon material with a firm durometer that holds shape well under pressure while still sealing reliably. Their resistance to high temperature, aggressive oils, fuels, and many chemicals makes them suitable for demanding environments like engines, hydraulic systems, and chemical handling equipment. The assortment follows standard sizing conventions used in aerospace and automotive work, so replacements tend to fit correctly where standard inch O-rings are specified. A sturdy compartmented case keeps the 382 pieces neatly separated by size, which makes it easy to find the right ring quickly at the job site or in the shop. Overall, this kit offers a convenient, durable stock of Viton O-rings that can significantly cut downtime when you need a reliable seal on short notice.